What's good everybody? So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to download Microsoft SQL Server on your system. So first of all, you have to go to your favorite browser, open up Google and on Google type Microsoft SQL Server 19 download. So the first link will be from the Microsoft, so you can just simply click this link. Okay, so now we are finally on the website. So as you can see that on the website it says several options. So there will be two options. One is the developer mode and other one is the express mode. So I would suggest you to download the express mode. Either you can download the developer mode as well. So I can download it now. So as you can see that now it has already downloaded in my system. So I'll go and open it. It will ask your some permissions, normally like some other softwares. So the step is pretty easy. After downloading and running it, it will ask you three options like basic, custom, or download media. So you just go to basic, accept the terms and conditions. So on this screen you can see that it is showing you up the installation location as well as the minimum free space required as well as the download size. So you can just simply press the install option and just wait for it. So once it's downloaded completely, we'll move forward. So as you can see on my screen that it has successfully been downloaded and there are some addresses coming on the screen which shows the SQL Express instance name, administrator, feature installed and the version as well. So you can just simply go ahead and press this button that says connect now. So if you see any screen like this, so it means that you have successfully downloaded Microsoft SQL Server. So now we are halfway done. So rest what we can do, we can just go ahead and press this install SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. So it will open up a link like this. Okay, so you can just go and click this free download for SQL Server Management Studio SSMS, this link. So now it will start to download a file. So I have already downloaded the file on my system and we can just simply go ahead and run this. It says install. So now as you can see that it's Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It's now downloading on my system, so I have to wait patiently and it will take just some time, and once it is completed we'll get back. Now you can see on my screen that the setup has been successfully completed, so we can close it from here and we can go Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and open up. So as you can see that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is opening up on my system. So the process was pretty simple, straightforward. You don't need to do anything. Just make sure of two things. First, to download Microsoft SQL Server, and then you have to download this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So it will take like your 10-15 minutes and you are good to go. So we just have to wait. Just simply go and press this connect button. Just writing up one query for you guys. So I'm just writing a query quickly. Create database and I'm giving it a name as my database. The database has been successfully created, and congratulations, the SQL Server Management Studio has been successfully downloaded and installed on your system. So that's it about today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.